In 2020, we in the world faced an unprecedented challenge. The innovation we came up with was a really simple way of manufacturing the Oxford AstraZeneca COVID vaccine.
The biggest visible impact of our innovation right now is lives saved through the COVID vaccine. The biomanufacturing process we developed allows us to make more vaccine using the same amount of resource. We did that in less than a year, something you would expect to take up to a decade.
So that changed the way we used the viral seed. Instead of needing tens of thousands of litres of it, the size of an Olympic swimming pool, down to needing only 400 litres to supply the entirety of the global campaign, and that's about the size of an ordinary backyard paddling pool.
In 3 different continents, we were able to work out how to do that and deliver 3 billion doses.
So there were a huge range of challenges. Everyone in the world wanted to get their hands on the sorts of materials that we needed, and also ensuring that the vaccine would have the same safety and the same efficacy whichever factory had made it around the world.
Over 6 million lives were estimated to be saved in the first year of use. Contributions to this process came from across the entire globe.
We're working with colleagues to use very similar manufacturing techniques to make vaccines against a whole range of different viruses. We hope that the technology will make us all a bit safer and able to respond more quickly to any future disease outbreaks.
The judges were really impressed with the scale of this collaboration. They drastically reduced the time to create billions of doses, from tens of years down to a matter of days. The Oxford AstraZeneca innovation is one of global importance, which has changed the vaccine world forever.